Hi, everybody. Hashtag Crazy Cat here in the Barnfest in South Carolina. And I'm standing in front of my vision board because we are meeting with the queen of vision boarding, my friend Carmen, who lives in Canada, Saskatchewan. I always mess that word up. Right in the middle of Canada. And she is kicking off a coaching class dedicated to vision boards. And if you don't know anything about vision boarding, you need to listen, and because they're amazing and they're life-changing. So Carmen, tell us a little bit about the importance of vision boards.
Hi. Yeah. Vision boards are so important because they put your dreams, your aspirations, the things you want, your goals, and they help your mind turn them into reality. Uh, because, things that you want sometimes can manifest naturally, because you're always seeing it. You're seeing it in your mind's eye. So your subconscious is always thinking about it. It's manifesting it to you. And that's why vision boards are so important. It helps us get our goals.
Wow, that's cool. And we were talking about one that you would put up on Bible study. That's really
Yeah.
important to you. So you want to share a little bit about putting that back on your vision board and what that's done?
Well, yeah. So I've been doing vision boards probably it's been over 20 years. I know that. It's probably been about 22 years that I've been doing vision boards. And I seen it in a magazine or in a book. I picked one up one time and just really started delving into things like that, goals, things that I've wanted. And, a long time ago, when my kids were little and we would go to church and they'd be in Bible school and things like that. And I had taken a couple Bible study classes, but then they grew up and I got busy with work and school and moving around a lot. When they were little, we moved around a lot. So it was a lot harder that way sometimes to get involved sometimes in the community. But it's a great way to get involved in the community through that way. Um, but in the process, I've always kind of wanted to get back to Bible study again, but never really did, and it never really manifested. And I would put it on my vision board, and then nothing really happened, and I would take it off for a while, and then I would put it on again for another year or two, and then nothing happened, so I'd take it off again, thinking, well, maybe it's not my time yet. And so just recently I put it on again, and wham, there it goes. I reached out, I got with a great community and started working again with that, and I've been very fortunate and blessed that way. I have to tell you also a story about my husband. So I was shopping for a husband, shopping for a guy, and I wrote a grocery list of all kinds of traits and attributes I wanted in a partner. And so, I wanted tall, dark, and handsome, and all kinds of kind and generous, and just, I don't even remember what I wrote, but wrote a whole bunch of things. So it wasn't an actual picture, but it was a grocery list, basically what it was. And like literally within 3 months, he came knocking on my door. I met him in a bar. It was amazing. It was like, hi. And we've been partners and been married for over 17 years, and it's been really truly amazing. He's been a great source to my journey.
That's great. I love that story. So a lot of my friends haven't done vision boarding or even heard, about it or why it's important, or they don't even understand where to get started. So if someone wants to get started, what do you recommend? What do you suggest for them?
Well, I am actually teaching a course. So I have developed a 6-week online course on vision board making. But it's not just any vision board making. It is, because it's a 6-week course, it delves deeper into 6 different areas of your life. Like your one area is your health, another area is your finances, another area is your recreation, another area is your personal development, things like that. And it really breaks it down a little bit better for you to think about what you want and what you aspire to, how you see your life unfolding for the next 20, 30, 40 years. So, and what nice thing is it gives you the tools to keep on going, because as you reach your goals, you're going to want to change your vision board.
Yes.
So you're going to want to change it at least every 3 to 6 months, sometimes at least once a year. Like, holy cow, lots of things could happen in a year that you're going to want to change, and having little, like, for instance, little phrases, I am statements, like affirmations, like great words. Like, I notice your word is focus in the middle there. And yeah, my word is vision, in the middle. So I and like quotes that you want and things like that. Like, and so it's about being positive and changing that subconscious mind and to manifesting things that you want in the life that you desire.
And for those who are not familiar with online, you may have seen when you hear online, you might be thinking about a course that you just take on your computer. And there is an aspect of that to it. But what's different about the course that Carmen will be running is that you actually get together once a week. And you work as a team, right? It's very collaborative. That's how Carmen and I met, actually, is in one of these classes. And I can't say enough positive things. So tell us a little bit about how the course will run and what someone would expect.
So you sign up and pay for your course, obviously, and then release a video once a week, or a series of videos once a week that you watch. And then during that week, we collaborate together in a group session online like this. And we talk about our wins. We talk about questions, about what had happened and what your thoughts were for making that vision board for that week. Because like I said, every week we delve on a different type of vision board, and making your vision boards positive, because, for instance, we always say we want to diet or lose weight. And in our subconscious mind, that word lose makes us want thinking that we're losing something, that it's negative. So that's not what we want. We want to release the weight and let it go. And so it doesn't return anymore, things like that. So, and like I said, it's really a little, I want to say, trick, for lack of a better word, that we use for our minds to help us reach our goals.
That sounds so much fun.
And then in the end of, like, after the 6 weeks, release your videos, and you have a little bit of homework in gathering your stuff for your vision board for each week. And then we have group session after that. And then at the end of the 6 weeks, I offer everybody a 1-hour one-on-one private coaching session with me.
That sounds great. Sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
So I recommend this course. I know Carmen, she's an absolute sweetheart. You will definitely get out of it what you put into it. And it'll take a couple hours a week but you'll, as part of that, you'll be creating your vision board. You'll make some really lifelong friends, because I have some of my best friends now are all part of this online coaching program, and we support and love each other. And it's an amazing community, really supportive. It's going to start February 1st, right?
Right.
It will be online. And any of my friends who are interested, I can get you in touch with Carmen. Any of Carmen's friends, you can get in touch on Facebook. And she also has a website and an email that we'll put as an attachment to this to make sure that you can get in touch and do it, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Exciting.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank
you very much.